Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix the problem of broken Windows icons, whether they look blank, missing, or not, showing properly on your desktop or taskbar. Let's begin. Firstly, click on the search bar and type Task Manager, then open it. After that, try to find Windows Explorer in the list. Once you find it, click on it and then click on Restart. This will refresh your entire Windows interface, and sometimes the icons come back instantly. If the problem still remains, then don't worry, try the next method. Now click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Personalization, and then click on Taskbar. Here you will see many options related to icons. Now click on Select which icons appear on the taskbar. From here you can turn on or off the icons you want to show. If any important icon was disabled earlier, turning it on will fix the issue. After making the changes, go back to the home screen and check again. If the icons are still broken, try this deeper method. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type %appdata% and press Enter. A new window will open. Now on the top, click on App Data, then open the local folder. After that, on the top right side click on View, then click on Options, and again click on the View tab. Here make sure to tick the option Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. After selecting it, click on Apply and then OK. Now scroll down and find a file named Icon Cache. Right-click on Icon Cache and then click on Delete. This file stores your Windows icon cache, and when it gets corrupted, icons don't appear properly. After deleting it, close everything. Now simply restart your PC. When Windows starts again, it automatically creates a fresh icon cache, and in most cases, all your icons appear correctly and the problem is fully resolved. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.